Okay, see, Q is a non-empty finite set of states. Sigma is non-empty finite set of input symbols. Means what are the states is there, we call it that is a non-empty finite set of states. Then what are the input symbols we are taking? See, that is called a finite set of input symbols. Then delta, see here, very important is delta. Delta is a transition function. See, what is this a transition function? See, in the so many examples we did, the transition means one state, mission is in the one state, it will take one input symbol, it will changing to the another state. See, that is only the mainly we can call it, that is called a transition. The transition means you are in one state. Once we can take the input symbol, it will be changing to the another state. See, means changing the position of one. It will take something. It will be changing, changing. See, we call it that is called a transition. Then starting state and final state is common. See here, the deterministic, non-deterministic is the difference is only for the transition function. See, what is this transition function means? System will be one system, one state. It will be in the one state. It will take one input symbol. It will go to the any other state. Any other state either means state. It is not going to the any multiple states. It will going to the one state. That is called reminder. Reminder is only for going to the one term. For example, now I am audible. No, ಇದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲೂ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. 1 second, students. See, admit ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಲ್ಲ. See, that is the problem. Okay, see here. See, that is only the determined. Determined means one system. It will take one input symbol, then it will go to the any one state. It is they have one determined path. Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q0. Either Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. See, it will be any one transition. The transition of Q0 0, it will go to the any one state, any other state. See, it is any other only one state. We call it that is called a deterministic. See, then what is this non-deterministic? See, non-deterministic, we call it that is called a non-deterministic finite automata. Shortly we call it that is called a NFA. NFA is called a non-deterministic finite automata. See here, if any automata makes more than one transition for a single input, see, it will take more than one transition from a single input for the given state, then the next state of automata becomes a unpredictability, means unpredictable. See, that is called a, mainly we call it that is called a non-deterministic finite automata, such that of automata is said to be a NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. See, that is only, see, if any one state, one transition, it will take one input symbol, it will go to the more than one states. It will go to the more than one state. See, we call it that is called a non-deterministic. See, non-deterministic finite automata. See here, one more thing. If any finite automata is modified in the such way that from a state of one input symbol is 0 or more transitions are permitted. See, then once again it is permitted to 0 or more transitions. Once it is a permitted, that the corresponding finite automata is called a NFA. So one more thing, that is only, see, just we can go for doing the transitions. Then once we do the transition, then automatically it will go for, 1 second. So automatically it will go to the more than one state. See, for example, I am telling, see, for example, if you take Q0 of 0, the Q0 of 0, it will go to the Q0 or Q1, means they have two states. See, that is a Q0, Q1. See, then we can mathematically, we can define as the mathematical representation of NFA is Same once again, NFA consists 5 tuples. 5 tuples means Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F. Then Q is a non-empty finite set of states. Q is a non-empty finite set of states. Then sigma is a non-empty finite set of input symbols. Sigma is a non-empty finite set of input symbols. Q naught belongs to Q. Q naught belongs to means Q naught is a belongs to Q means Q naught is a starting state. It is a start state. If you which are the start state we are declaring in the system, see that is a mission will be starting in one particular state itself. We call it that is a representing with normally we can representing with Q0. Then F is called a final state. Mission will reach to the final state. So one more thing, each and every problem final solution is very important. Once we can define that, once mission will be defined, that mission will reach to the final. So then that is only very, very important thing. Once we can implement it, then automatically it will go to the final state. See, that is only F subset of Q is a set of accepting either, we call it that is a final state. Then delta. See here, the delta means the Q into sigma implies 2 to the power of Q. The 2 to the power of Q means is the transition function. See, already you know that the power set. The power set means the 2 to the power of Q is a power set of Q, which the set of all subsets of Q. Means it will go to the one or more states. Varun, you can display that statement. See, that is DFA defined. The language is used by the NFA. I am audible, no? See here. See, that is only, see, the let N is equal to Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F. Q naught and F. Then once again we can write it this one. A string W is accepted by the mission N if it takes the initial state is 0 to the final state is F. Then transition of, once again, see here, it is only vary with the transition. See, one more thing, when we can go for the defining the DFA, see that the DFA D is equal to, see, then once again that is only the Q sigma delta Q naught and F. Q is a non-empty finite set of states. Sigma is non-empty finite set of input symbols. Q naught is equal to subset. Then once again sigma is, then F is equal to final state, either we call it that is called the accepting state. Then here mainly the transition function. See, the transition function only, it is a differ with the NFA to DFA. The DFA is the Q into sigma implies Q only. Q into sigma implies Q, means one state will read one input symbol, it will go to the only any one state of the states of in mission. See, that is only the Q into sigma implies only Q. Then once again, once it will come to the non-deterministic DFA, the non-deterministic DFA, the Q into sigma implies it will give to the, it will go the 2 to the power of Q. We call it that is a power set. The power set means 2 to the power of Q is the transition function. Then once again 2 to the power of Q is the power set of Q, which is a set of all subsets of Q, means it is all subsets of Q. Then you can assume that one, for example, mission have one starting state. You can Q0 is the one starting state. Q0 reads 0, it will go for Q0 only. Then one more Q0 reads 0, I will give to the Q1 also. The Q1 reads 1, it will be Q1. Then once again Q1 reads 1, it will be giving to the Q2. Then Q2 reads 1, it will give to the Q1. Then Q0 reads 1, it will give to the Q2. So then once we are taking this one, automatically the mission will go to the multiple states. Mission will be taking one input symbol, it will go to the multiple states. We call it, that is called a non-deterministic finite automata. See, then see how to design the non-deterministic automata. See, this is only the what we are taken this one. See here, the language accepted by the NFA. See, language accepted by the NFA. See, that is the, let N be the NFA. NFA is, we call it, NFA is called the 5 tuples: Q sigma delta Q naught and F. The Q sigma Q naught and F. So once we are taking to the 5 tuples be a NFA. If you consider, if we consider W is a string. String is accepted by the mission N. N means NFA. See, one more thing here, N, we are taking the capital N means that representing the NFA. If it takes the initial state means always we can take the initial state is Q0, Q0 to final state F, then we can define that one into the transition star, means transition star means it will take the multiple inputs. Then once it will taking the multiple inputs, then once again the transition Q0 comma word means that is a string, which string we are accepted. So then is in the final state. Once again it is in the final state. Once we can go for doing the transitions, the transition of W is in the F. Then once again it is in the F. Then we can go for the defining the language. Then we can defining the language is the language of N. The language of N is equal to then W is equal to then we within the bracket W bar W means word belongs to the word. It is in the sigma star. See, sigma star means it is a input alphabets. See, what are the input alphabets we are giving? Within that input alphabets, what are the things it will be there? It will be framing in that particular word. Then that will be representing the transition of Q0 belongs to W is in the F. See, it will reach to the final state. See, that is only the condition. See here, see once again I will tell you that DFA consists of 5 tuples Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F. Then once again we can we'll go to the problem one is, then once again how you can constructing the NFA. See, NFA construction means just we can take the problem one. The problem one is draw a NFA to accept the strings of A's and B's, ending with AB. The strings of A's and B's ending with AB. Check whether string AB, AA, B and ABB is accepted by the NFA or not. See, it is a non-deterministic. One more thing, non-deterministic. Then I will display that mission. For example, here directly I will take you that mission structure is the DFA. See here, try a NFA to accept the strings of A's and B's ending with AB. Check whether the strings AB, AAB and ABB is accepted by the NFA. Then Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q0. Once again Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. Then Q1 reads B, it will go to the Q2. Then once again Q0 reads A, it will be Q0 reads B, it will be Q0. Just you can consider this one. See here, so directly I can constructed the NFA because see NFA to accept the strings of A's and B's ending with AB means here Q0 of A, there are many A's. Then you start with many A's and end with AB. Then once again B's also, it is number of B's, then end with AB. Just here in the beginning, see one more thing, why we call it, see this diagram itself we can consider Q0 of A, it will go for Q0 and Q1 also. According to the situation, it will go to the Q0 either Q1. We call it, this is called a non-deterministic finite automata. No need to show each and every presentation. Directly you can write it. Q0 reads A, it will be Q0. Q0 reads A, it will be Q1. Q1 reads B, it will be Q2. Then Q0 reads B, and once again Q0. Then no need to write a transition of Q1 and Q2 because it is called a non-deterministic finite automata. Start with any number of A's and any number of B's. Then also it will be executing. See, that is only it will be performing the task. See, that is only the Q0 of A reads Q0, then Q0 of A reads Q1 also. See, we call it, this is called a non-deterministic finite automata. Then we can go for defining NFA. NFA is defined as N is equal to Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F, where Q is, what are the states in this diagram? We can consider Q0, Q1, Q2. The sigma is equal to A comma B. The Q0 is starting state, here we consider Q0. Then F is equal to Q2, that is called a final state. Then come to the transition. The transition is showed by the transition table. See, that is called a delta. Delta, they're taking the AB. Then once again, we are taking to the starting state Q0, Q1, Q2. Once we are taking the Q0, Q1, Q2, the Q0 of A is Q0 and Q1. It will go to the, sometimes it will go to the Q0, then Q1. Then Q0 of B is, the Q0 of B is, then once again it will go to the Q0. Then Q0 of A is null. See, we are not given anywhere. Then Q0 of B is Q2. Then Q2 of 0 A is, Q2 of Q1 of A is null. Q2 of Q1 of B is Q2. Then Q2 of A is Q0. Then then once again, then Q2 of B is uh, Q2 of so be Q0. See, that is only the mainly we can concentrating the system. See here it will be see that this is the way we can go for inputting the then just we can go for that the for the string A B the moves as the following. See how we can go for checking that one that it will be accepted or not. See, the string will be the first one we are taking to the A B the moves are followed. See, transition of Q0 of A is, then once we can the question is you can Nutan, sir, Q0 of B is Q0 of B is Q0 only. Then is the table is Q1. No. Just you can go to the back. Q0 of B is Q0. Sorry, you can change that one. Q0 of B is Q0 only. In the typing mistake, that Q0 of B is Q0. Then Q1 of A is null. Q1 of B is Q2. Q2 of A is Q0. Q2 of B is Q0. Then one more thing, according to the diagram, Q0 of B is Q0 only. Okay, Nutan. Then we'll come to that for the string AAB, the moves as follows. For example, start with Q0. Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q0. Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q0. Q0 reads B, it will go to the Q0. Then Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q0. Then Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q0. Q0 reads B, it will go to the Q0 only. Then another one, Q0 reads C, it is not a final state, it will be rejected. But Q0 of A is Q1, then Q0 of B is Q2, no more moves, that will be rejected. Then once again it will come to that Q0 of B is Q0, then Q0 of A is Q1, then once again it will be rejected. Then come to the Q0 of A is Q0 of AF is Q0, Q0 of B is Q0, Q0 of A is Q0, then Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2. See, Q2, then it is the final state, it will be accepted. It will be the accepted. See, that is only when it is not in the determined, not in the determined. See, that time mission also it will be confusing. It will take the different paths, then which is a path it is suitable, then only it will be decided. Then it is little bit complicated when we are doing in the NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. See, in the non-deterministic finite automata, there are, it will be taking the all possibilities path between the starting state to the final state. See, where it will be struck, then it will be stop doing. Then it will taking the path is the moves of Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of B is Q0, then Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2 is accepted since Q2 is the final state. But mission will be accepted, but there are three different paths. Then once again it will be forms the three different paths, four paths, but under that three paths are unaccepted. Then once again not final states. Then once again only one path will be accepted. See, that is only, for example, start with Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2, the no moves, then it will be rejected. Then once again Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of B is Q0, Q0 of A is Q1. Then after that you can't read B, then that path also it will be rejected. Then once again, Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2. The Q2 is the final state. After reading all characters of that string, mission will is in the final state, then it will be accepted. See, this is the way we can go for finding the means. That is only the confusion of non-deterministic finite automata. Then the second part, for the string ABB, the moves are as a follows. We can check that one: A, B, A, B. See, here it will take only ABB. See, Q0 reads Q0. See, then second one is it will be ABB. The for the string ABB. Then Q0 A reads Q0 reads A. It will be Q0. Q0 reads B. It will be Q0. Q0 reads B. It will be Q0. Then it is not a final state. Then once again Q0 reads A. It will be Q1. Q1 reads B. It will be Q2. Then it will be rejected. Then the string ABB is rejected by the DFA, since Q0 is not a final state. See, that is only if you are taking any possibilities also, the string ABB is not accepted. String ABB is not accepted. See, that is only the NFA. See, NFA, you can write it in the direct design. No need to use the any methods. For example, in the DFA, we are using the different methods. One is pattern recognition method. Another one is pattern recognition method. Another one is divisible by divisible by k method. Then another one is modulo k counter problem. See, modulo k counter problem also we can use. See, we can use that one. Then we can see this is the way we can go for finding the DFA. If you have any doubt in this,
sir, can you explain it once again, sir?
Okay. Okay, students. Then go to the once again. See the NF. Which one you want, ma? Definition or this problem?
Sir, for the string ABA, AAB.
So one more thing, according to the diagram, just we can check that one. AB, AAB, the moves as follows. For example, it will be accepted or this string is accepted or not. For example, in this diagram, what we designed, Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of B is Q0, Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of B also Q0, because when you are giving the looping, it will be in the same state. The Q0 is not final state, that time it will be accepted. But possibilities is there. So once again, Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2. There are no moves. After that, the string have AAB also is there. See, that time it will be rejected. Then once again, Q0 of B is the Q0 of A is Q0, Q0 of B is Q0, Q0 of A is Q1. See, that time also there are no moves after that Q. Then once again, one more A is there, Q1 of A, you can't, there are no moves, then it will be rejected. Then Q0 of A is Q0, Q0, Q2. See, that time mission will be accepted. That, because see, there are, when we are using the non-deterministic means they have no determined path between starting state to the final state. See, previous what we did, all are determined path. Here no determined path. Sometimes it will take one state, it will take one input, it will go to the two different states. That is only the this one. Q0 of A is Q0. Sometimes it is Q0 of A is Q1 also. So it will go to the two different states. See, that is only the non-deterministic finite automata. Then another one example for the string ABB, the moves. We can check that moves. For example, in the ABB, Q0 reads A, it will go for Q0. Q0 reads B, Q0. Q0 reads B, Q0. Q0 is not a final state. That time automatically it will be rejected. Then Q0 of A is Q1. Q1 of B is Q2. Then Q2 of B, it is not mentioned in the diagram. See, that time also it is not accepted. See, that is only the mission is not accepted. ABB, it will be rejected. Since Q0 is not a final state, then after Q2, there are no moves. That's why it is rejected for the NFA. See, that is only. I think now Naina clear?
Yes, sir.
Then we'll go to the next problem. See, design an NFA that accept a set of all strings end with 00. All strings end with 00 and check whether the string 100 is accepted by the DFA. The one more thing here, they clearly mention the minimum string is 00. All strings end with 00. Then directly we can take it that Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q1 of 0 is Q2. See, that is only the directly we can write the diagram. Q0 reads 0, it is Q1. Q1 reads 0, it is Q2. Then Q0 of 1 is I given Q1 only. Then Q1 of 1 is it will be Q0. Means sometimes the string start with many number of zeros. The string start with many number of zeros. See, because here why I can go for directly I can write it the NFA means, see, Q0 reads 0, Q1. Then mission start with any number of ones. That's why Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Then come to that after sometimes it will be the 1, then another 0, then 1, 0, 1, 0, it will be repeating. See, that time Q0 of 1 also I came to the Q0. Q1 of 1 also I will give to the Q0. Then end with 2 zeros. For example, Q1 of 1 is Q0, then once again you have 0, Q1, then once again Q1 of 0, Q2. It is end with 2 zeros, 10 zeros also it will be last, it will come to the only 2 zeros. That's why Q2 of 0 also I given Q0 only. If any another, the Q2 of 1, Q0 of 1 is, sir, I will take it that Q0 of 1 is Q0, then Q0 of 0 is Q1. I am audible, no?
Yes, sir.
Students, I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Hello, sir. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
I am audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible,
I am
sir.
audible? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, man. See, that is see. Then according to this we can go for defining the DFA, NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. See, that is NFA is equal to N is equal to Q sigma delta Q naught and F. Q sigma delta Q naught and F. Then Q is a states Q0, Q1, Q2. Then sigma is 0, 1. Q naught is Q0. Then F is equal to Q2. Then once again we'll go for the transition function, the transition of the input symbols. Then we can write it state Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q0 of 1 is Q0, Q1 of 0 is Q2, Q1 of 1 is Q0, then Q2 of 0 is Q2, Q2 of 1 is null. The one more thing, we'll go for check that one. See here, for the string 100, the moves as follows. For example, Q0 of 1 is Q0, Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q1 of 0 is Q2, then mission will be accepted. The mission will be accepted because Q2 is the final step. Then one more thing, I think everyone they're thinking why we'll go for directly constructing the NFA without using any rules. The one more thing, already you know that in the deterministic finite automata we can use the certain rules to design the DFA, but here directly just you can adjust the problem according to, you can read the string, then design a DFA to accept the set of strings end with 00. Then check that possibilities. No need to check each and every state possibilities, just you can design the string end with 00, but end with 00 starting with any number of ones and any number of zeros also. That's why we can take it Q0 of 0, Q1 of 0 is Q2. You see, minimum string purpose we return that, then we show that one to the final state. Then Q1 of, see, sometimes string start with 1 end with 00, because of that reason I will take it Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Then 1 after reading 0, then sometimes it will come 1 1 also. See, that time Q1 of 1 I will give to the Q0, then end with 00. Then after that it will go to the 00, then Q2 of 0. Sometimes there are many number of zeros end with, but lastly we can read it to zeros. See, that means 0 0 0 0 0 0 also it will be accepted. Because of that reason I will give Q2 of 0 is 0. Then once it will come any 1, the mission is not accepted, because we are not showing that the transition once we are not, it will be rejected for that type of transitions. No need to check that one each and every state, what are the possible transitions. No need to give the q2 of 1 is, that is not required, because no any determined path. So mission it is have one more one, automatically mission will be rejected that. See, that is only the this one. Then we'll go to the another problem. Design a DFA to recognizing the following set of strings A, B, C, A, B, D, and A, C, D. Then just here we can take one starting state Q0. Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. Q1 reads A, it will go to the Q2. Q2 reads C, means three substrings we can write it the one more time. See, Q0 reads A, it will be Q1. Q1 reads B, it will be Q2. Q2 reads C, it will be Q3. Q3 is the final state. Then another one. Then Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q4. The Q4 reads B, it will go for Q5. Q5 reads D, it will be Q6. Q0 reads A, it will be Q4. Q0 reads A, it will be Q4. Q4 reads B, it will be Q5. Q5 reads D, it will be Q6. Then once again, same thing, it will come to that Q0 reads A, it will be Q7. Q7 reads A, it will be Q8. Q8 reads C, it will be Q9. Q9 reads D, it will be Q10. See, this is the way we can go for representing NFA, non-deterministic finite automata. Okay. Okay, this is the way we can go for defining the transitions. See, that is only because NFA means non-determined path, then we take it anyway. Then we can go for defining that. See, defining this one is okay. Q0. The states are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8, Q10. See, that are the states. Then sigma is equal to A comma B comma C comma D. So according to that, see, they're given the question is the design NFA to recognizing the following set of strings ABC, ABD, and AACD. Then see, these are the recognition. We can go for directly constructing that one. That is then starting state is Q0 only. Mission will be starts only in one state. That's why we take it starting state is Q0. The final states are according to that designing. We can write it Q3, Q6, Q10 are the final states. Then we can go for do the transitions. The transitions are see delta A, B, C, D. Then Q0 of A is Q1, Q4. Q0 of A is Q1. Q0 of A is Q4. Q0 of A is Q7. There are three possibilities. That also we written that. Then Q0 of B is null. Q0 of C is also null. Q0 of D is also null. The Q1 of A is also null. Q1 of B is Q2. The Q1 of C is null. Q1 of D is also null. Then come to the Q2, same Q2 of A is null. Q2 of B is also null. Q2 of C is Q3. Then Q3 of D is also null. Then Q3 means all are null. It is a final state. Then Q4 of A is null. Q4 of B is Q5. Q4 of C is null. Then Q4 of D is also null. Then once again Q5 also, it is only Q5 of D is Q6, remaining will be null. Then once again Q6, it is a final state, it will be null only. Then once again Q7 of A is Q8. Then once again Q7 of remaining states are null. Then Q8 of C is Q9, remaining will be null. Q9 of D is Q10, the remaining null. Q10 of A, B, C, D also null. Because here no need to define determined path. See, we can write it any transitions. Then just we can go for directly we can go for constructing the DFA to see what are the question itself that clearly mentioned that design a NFA to recognizing the following set of strings ABC, ABD, and AACD. Then now you can go for directly, you can write it each and every starting with Q0. The Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2, Q2 of C is Q3. The remaining anything also it will be rejected. Then Q0 of A is Q4, Q4 of B is Q5, Q5 of D is Q6. The remaining any string also it will be rejected. Then Q0 of A is Q7, Q7 of A is Q8, Q8 of C is Q9, Q9 of D is Q10. Then also it will be remaining anything also it will be rejected from your mission. See, that is only the NFA. Then we'll go for one more NFA. So obtained a NFA to accept the strings of following language. So L is equal to W. Then word or belongs to ABN. See, B power n, that is B power n, either A or AB A of n, where n is greater than or equal to 0. See, when n is greater than or equal to 0, there are two substrings. Then we can start with designing NFA, means directly I can design that Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. Q1 reads B, it will go to the Q2. Q2 reads A, it will go to the Q3. Then means 1A. Then once again, after that, many number of A's, the many number of B's, that's Q3 reads B, it will be Q3 when I will give the looping. See, then only it will be Q3 reads B, it will be Q3. Then once again, another one R. Q0 reads A, it will be Q4. Q4 reads B, it will be Q3. Then A power n. Q5 reads A, it will be itself. See, that is Q5 only. See, that indicates only this type of strings will be accepted. The remaining will be automatically it will be rejected. No need to use any following steps. Directly you can write the instructions. Then after this we can go for defining NFA. N is equal to Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F. Then Q is equal to states. What are the states we are considering? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. Sigma is equal to A comma B. Q0 is Q0. F is equal to Q3 comma Q5. Final states. Then we can go for the transition. Then Q0 A comma B. Then we can write it states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. Q3, Q5 is final state. Q0 of A is Q0, Q4. Q0 of B is null. Q1 of A is null. Q1 of B is Q2. The Q2 of A is Q3. Q2 of B is null. Q3 of A is null. Q3 of B is Q3. Then Q4 of A is null. Q4 of B is Q5. Q5 of A is Q5. Q5 of B is null. See, this is the way we can go for designing the NFA. Then two more problems is there. We'll see that one in the next class. Then one more thing, another one method, construction of DFA from NFA. See, what NFA is there, using that NFA we need to construct the DFA. Minimizing the means converting NFA to DFA, means non-deterministic to the deterministic. We'll see that one in the next class. Then